Welcome to our third lesson on how to make money. The lesson for day 3 is core values of different source of incomes. Before we embark on the lesson of today, let us recap what we discussed in lesson 1. On the first lesson, we discussed on features of different sources of incomes, including features of 1. Employees, referred to as an E. 2. Self-employees, referred to as an S. 3. Business owners, referred to as a B and 4. Investors, referred to as an I. Connected to that, today we discuss the core values of each sources of incomes. To understand what is in core of people, you have to listen to what they say and understand what they care or fear about. This lesson will discuss what different people care or fear about, that is, what are in their cores. Now, welcome to lesson of day 3, core values of different source of incomes. We start with core values number 1, employees. What are core values of being an employee? These are core values of being an employee. 1. Employees have fear of not having enough money. Employees have fear of not having money. 2. Hence, they react to that fear by seeking for a safe and secure job. 3. They care about job security than money, or anything else. 4. They look for a safe, secure jobs with attractive benefits, such as pension and health insurance. 5. Once they have the job, they climb along a corporate ladder. They talk about salary increase, promotion and career growth. 6. They work for money. Hence, in this lesson we term them as other people of P. 7. They enter into strong and binding employment contracts with employers that assures them of job security. This is the end of core values of employees. Next, what are core values of self-employees? How do they differ from those of employees? Lesson of day 3, core values number 2, self-employees. What are core values of being a self-employee? These are core values of being a self-employee. 1. Self-employees also have fear of not having enough money. 2. They respond to the emotion of fear by doing it themselves. They are hardcore perfectionists. 3. They dislike depending on someone else for money. 4. They are the business system themselves. 5. The life of business is limited to the life of self-employee. 6. They too work for money, hence they are also called other people of P. After self-employees, we now look into the core values of businesses. Businesses' core values are quite the opposite of the self-employee. Lesson of day 3, core values number 3, business owners. What are core values of being a business owner? These are core values of being business owner. 1. They use other people's time and money to make more money. 2. Businesses owners employ other people, 500 or more employees. 2. They create business systems to generate money. 3. They employ a president to run the company on their behalf. 4. The lifetime for the business systems are perpetual. Once business owners have generated more money, they can use different investment vehicles to generate more money. This brings us to the core values of investors. Lesson of day 4, core values number 4, investors. What are core values of being an investor? These are core values of being an investor. 1. Investors have money working for them. 2. They have money generating more money. 3. Their main concern is how fast their money generate cash inflows. 4. Use other people's time, OPT. This marks the end of lesson day 3. As we close this lesson for day number 3, we would also like to give you a take-home assignment. Day 3, take-home assignment. 1. Where do most of your core values fall? An investor or employee. 2. Do you know the lifetime consequences of depending on any other source of incomes? This assignment marks the end of our lesson of day 3 in a series of 5 lessons. Which means we still have 2 more to go. Finally, maybe you have a question or a concern. If so, do not hesitate to write to us. We are present on main social media such as 1. Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. Our account is @Tanzanite-Korea. Or, you may write to us through our 2. Email, info@tanzanite-korea.com. 3. Website, www.tanzanite-korea.com. Or through 4. TCDS mobile application that can be downloaded from Play Store. Lastly, for today, we do have other resources you may be interested to read. 1. A book titled, Preparing for Work That Doesn't Yet Exist. It can be accessed on Amazon at www.amazon.com. 2. The book, Manual for College Program Choices. Also available on Amazon at www.amazon.com.